What if I told you that the reason you're losing muscle isn't because you're getting older? It isn't because you aren't exercising enough. And it certainly isn't because your body has simply given up. The real reason may be something you're doing every single day, without even realizing it. Millions of adults over the age of 50 faithfully eat what they believe is a healthy diet. They drink protein shakes, eat chicken, yogurt, eggs, or even spend money on expensive supplements. Yet every year they become weaker. Climbing stairs gets harder. Carrying groceries feels heavier. Standing up from a chair takes more effort than it used to. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Here's the surprising truth. It's often not how much protein you eat, it's how you eat it. One simple mistake could prevent your muscles from getting the nutrients they desperately need. And over time, that mistake may contribute to weakness, slower recovery, poor balance, and even a greater risk. The good news? Once you understand what's happening inside your body, you can make a few simple changes that may help preserve muscle, support strength, and improve your quality of life. And before this video ends, I'll reveal 3 simple protein strategies that many people never hear about. Strategies that could make every gram of protein you eat work much harder for you. Let's begin. As we grow older, our bodies change in ways that aren't always obvious. After the age of 50, muscle naturally becomes harder to maintain. Scientists estimate that adults can gradually lose muscle mass each decade if they don't actively work to preserve it. This process can affect strength, mobility, metabolism, and independence. The encouraging news is that muscle loss isn't inevitable. Understanding one common protein mistake and how to correct it can make a meaningful difference. Imagine Margaret, a 68-year-old retired teacher. She walks every morning, prepares healthy meals, and rarely misses a doctor's appointment. Yet she noticed that lifting laundry baskets became difficult. Gardening left her exhausted. Even opening tightly sealed jars required help. She wondered whether this was simply old age. But after speaking with a nutrition specialist, she discovered something surprising. She wasn't eating too little food. She wasn't inactive. She simply wasn't eating protein in a way that her aging muscles could use effectively. This is far more common than most people realize. Many seniors eat a light breakfast consisting of toast, cereal, or fruit. Lunch might be soup or a sandwich with very little protein. Then dinner becomes the largest meal of the day, where most of the protein is finally consumed. On paper, it may look like enough protein, but your muscles don't necessarily see it that way. You've probably been told that as long as you hit your daily protein goal, everything is fine. The truth is far more complicated. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to protein, a phenomenon researchers often call anabolic resistance. In simple terms, older muscles require a stronger signal before they begin repairing and rebuilding themselves. If that signal never arrives throughout the day, muscles may gradually weaken over time. Think of your muscles as a construction site. Protein provides the bricks, but your body also needs enough workers, enough signals, and the right timing to actually build something. If the bricks arrive only once a day, construction slows dramatically. Research has shown that distributing protein more evenly across meals may stimulate muscle protein synthesis more effectively than eating most of it at dinner. Another important factor is protein quality. Not all protein sources provide the same amount of essential amino acids, especially leucine, one of the key nutrients that helps trigger muscle repair. Foods such as eggs, dairy products, fish, lean poultry, soy products, and other high-quality protein sources can help provide this important signal. This doesn't mean other protein sources aren't valuable. They absolutely are. It simply means that choosing a variety of protein-rich foods throughout the day may better support healthy muscles. And there's another hidden issue. Many older adults wait until they're hungry before eating. Unfortunately, appetite often decreases with age. By the time dinner arrives, they've unintentionally gone many hours without giving. Little by little, day after day, year after year, muscle strength slowly declines. Fortunately, this pattern can often be improved with surprisingly simple adjustments. The first strategy is to spread your protein across the day. Instead of eating very little protein for breakfast and lunch before having a large protein-rich dinner, consider including a meaningful source of protein at every meal. Breakfast might include eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, or another protein-rich option. Lunch could feature chicken, beans, tuna, lentils, or other protein-containing foods. Dinner can continue to include balanced protein as well. This approach gives your muscles repeated opportunities to repair themselves throughout the day. Now I'd like to hear from you. Do you usually eat most of your protein at dinner, or do you spread it throughout the day? Share your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health insights. And don't miss our next video, where we'll uncover the nighttime habit that may quietly accelerate muscle loss after age 50, and the simple evening routine that could help protect your strength while you